Well, welcome back to the course and congratulations on making it this far. I know it has not been so easy, but now I'm sure that everything is going to be very easy because you know PyQt5 and the knowledge learned in the programming section. Now we're going to create a UI application similar to the one we made in the programming section, but now with a UI functionality. So I want you to create this in Qt Designer and design this yourself. Don't worry about the color scheme and the way things are structured using cascading style sheets. Adding the style sheet, I'll give you the code for that. You don't have to worry about it. So just try to make this yourself. There is a tab here, there's a find tab, there's an all books tab, and these columns, make sure you add more just completely to your customization. I'm going to show you to make this application in the next video, so try to make this yourself, and in the next lecture I'm going to show it to you how to make it. So I'll see you in the next one.